Somiji, comment on peut parler aux jeunes de la spiritualité et des pratiques spirituelles?
How you can explain to young people spirituality and practice?
Young people more easily they can understand if they want to understand. But it's the parents' responsibility to let them know our history also. Like all the master, Raman Maharshi, Ramkrish Paramhans ji, Nanak ji, Buddha ji, Jesus. So when they know about them, then only you can understand that the what is the truth of life. Then only they can't be too fast. But if they see their mother, father is already too fast, and when they come home, evening after work, they are so tired that they don't have time for themselves. So from there, where they will learn? Because parents are the first school of the children. First they learn from the parents. First what parents are doing, this is very much important. Most of the people running for what? Just bread butter? Just this much place you need to sleep? This much food we need? But we are running for this. How much you are working? For what? For what you need more big house? For what you need more expensive mobile? For what you need more big car? Huh? Even on the loan, people who don't have money, they will buy on the credit. And then every month they have to pay. And then they don't have time to dance, to sing, to love, to laugh. Even you don't have time to cook food for you. Then you eat the frozen food. Then you eat the food from the restaurant, what is not cooked with love. So from where you get the energy? Huh? How many percent people, they have time here to cook every day for themselves. You have time for your boss to work in company. You have time for your patient to work for them. But you don't have time to cook food for you, for your daughter, for your children. Where is the intelligence? You don't have time to dance, you don't have time to do exercise, you don't have time to go swimming every day. So if you don't have time for yourself, how you can give time to children to understand the life? Before, for this, grandmother, grandparents was there with the parents. So they were teaching the children. They were telling them story, different story. They were talking about the history. That's how children was understanding what is our culture, what is good in life, what is not good in life, what we should do, what we should not do. But life was not this much fast. This we have to understand that pose, patita pose is very important.